In this video, I will tell you how to transfer from Binance to M-Pesa. So first, what you need to do is open the Binance app and go to wallets. Make sure your funds are in the funding wallet because this helps you avoid extra charges. If your crypto is in spot or any other wallet, just transfer it over to funding before proceeding. Once that's done, go to P2P. Here you'll see two options, buy and sell. Buying means depositing into Binance, while selling lets you withdraw to your bank or M-Pesa. Since we're focusing on M-Pesa withdrawal, check the available offers. Look for sellers who support M-Pesa transfer, not airtime or bank transfers. Now choose one that looks reliable and check the available amount. For example, let's say you want to withdraw 3000 KS. Enter the amount and confirm. Then go to payment method and select M-Pesa Kenya. Confirm again and then choose the coin you want to sell, in this case USDT. Tap sell. You'll see the current price in dollars, so make sure the conversion matches the amount you need. Confirm your payment method and finalize by pressing sell USDT. At this point, you'll be waiting for the buyer to send payment. Once the money arrives in your M-Pesa wallet, verify it has been received, then release the funds to the buyer. That's how you withdraw from Binance directly to M-Pesa. Thanks for watching.